Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a cool travel tissue holder for your car. So first off, you're going to want to make sure that the actual mason jar fits in your cup holders. And then all you're going to need for this project is an X-Acto knife. I like to use plastic, but you can also use something like scrapbooking paper. So you're going to need your mason jar and then just a piece of paper to be cutting out on. And you'll need your tissues. So first what we're going to do is cut out your top, and then what you do is you take your top and you trace it with your X-Acto knife. So you should get a top like that, and what you're going to do is just put a little X on it for the tissues to come out, just like that. And then you're going to take your tissues. You might want to go ahead and cut these in half so that they will feed correctly. And then just place them in your jar. Making sure that they're going to feed right. And then place your top on there. Make sure it's secured tight. There you have it, little travel tissue jar.